Hello everyone. Today we are going to test a new free image to video tool called Grok. This is part 2 of the previous free image to video tutorial on the channel. So if you missed part 1, you can find it on my channel and I will leave the link in the comments as well. Like Meta AI, Grok from Elon Musk also provides free image generation and video generation options. First, go to grok.com, sign up, and you will land on the Grok homepage where you can chat with the Grok AI model. Today, we are going to focus on its image generation ability and its video creation ability together. On the Grok landing page, you will see a left side menu with options like Search, Chat, Voice, Imagine, Projects, and History to manage your data and creations. From that left menu, click on the Imagine section. On the Imagine page, you can see previous creations from other users with a wide variety of creative outputs. In the prompt box, you can attach your own photos or files or simply type a prompt. Below that, you can choose whether you want to generate an image or a video and also control the aspect ratio. I'm going to keep it on image and paste my prompt. For the first test, I am using a wide-angle futuristic city prompt. It describes a futuristic city with flying vehicles leaving light trails between tall skyscrapers and a lone figure standing on a rooftop in the foreground with a cyberpunk aesthetic. I'm generating this in vertical orientation. You can see the outputs look really good. When you scroll down, Grok keeps generating new images one after another until you stop it or give a new prompt. I'm going to pick one of these images, and now I want to animate this image into a video. When you click on the generated image, you will see an option that says Type to Customize Video. Here you can enter your own prompt for the motion. You can also open the video presets, where you get options like Spicy, Fun, and Normal with predefined prompts to animate the image. For now, I am not using presets and will stick to a custom prompt so I can animate the image exactly how I want. After pasting my motion prompt, I press Enter and wait a few seconds. Grok is very fast, similar to other paid AI models, and within about 10 seconds, the video is ready. The result is really cool. The flying cars move as requested, the figure on the rooftop stays stationary, and there is subtle rain across the environment. If you want to improve the quality, click the 3 dots at the top of the video and choose Upscale Video. This is one of the standout features compared to many other AI generators. In a few seconds, it upscales its own video to HD quality. Then, you can simply click the download icon to download the HD version of your output. Next, let us test character creation consistency. I will prompt a close-up portrait photograph of a young woman with curly red hair and freckles, smiling gently, wearing a vintage denim jacket in natural daylight with a shallow depth of field. Grok generates plenty of outputs and keeps creating more as I scroll. I choose one portrait image and again click it to animate. I paste my motion prompt and generate the video. The output looks really good. When I upscale it, you can clearly see the smile, the teeth, and the subtle head turn to the left. Her hair moves gently in a soft breeze and the background remains nicely blurred. The movement feels natural and the HD result looks very impressive. Now I want to check Grok's ability for advertisement level professional content creation. For this, I use a studio-style product prompt, a sleek silver sports car parked on a reflective black surface with dramatic lighting. The generated images look very professional with clean rendering and no obvious issues. Each image looks like a high-quality product shot. I pick one car image and ask Grok to create a video where the camera orbits around the car and the orange light ring above it pulses slowly. Grok starts generating the video. In the output, the camera moves, but the car itself also rotates, which is not exactly what I asked for. However, I'm not going to complain because this tool is free, and even many paid video generation models still struggle with perfectly following complex motion prompts. The positive thing here is that the car remains clean, without strange distortions or extra unwanted elements appearing on the body, apart from the orange light ring above it. The subject stays intact, which is logically a good sign, even though there are some limitations we have to accept. Next, I want to test a hand-drawn fantasy-style illustration. I prompt a hand-drawn illustration of a dragon in an ancient castle at sunrise with a golden knight, intricate scales, and a stylized fantasy art look. The images Grok generates are outstanding, and every frame looks visually impressive. I pick one dragon image and animate it using a custom prompt that asks for a slow zoom into the dragon's eye. In the final video, the dragon itself starts moving and comes closer to the camera instead of only the camera zooming in. Even though it behaves slightly differently from the prompt, the animation still looks very good. Compared to other models, including some paid tools like Runway, this result is really strong and feels more coherent and cinematic. Let us try one more prompt to test macro and fine detail. I asked for an extreme close-up photograph of a blue butterfly on top of a green leaf with crystal clear water droplets in a macro style. The generated image looks very photorealistic and highly detailed. It is difficult to complain about this image quality because every frame looks outstanding. I pick one butterfly image and animate it with a custom prompt to add wing movement and a lens flare from the sun. After a few seconds, the video is ready. The wings have frame-by-frame movement, and near the end of the clip you can see a lens flare appearing from the sun while the camera tilts slightly to the left. This means Grok followed the custom instruction quite well and created a smooth, natural motion. Compared to the earlier sci-fi and car tests, this one follows the prompt more closely. So overall, Grok has some flaws but also very strong output capability. The key is to give detailed prompts and sometimes regenerate a few times to get the perfect result. For another creative test, I create a neon light, futuristic user interface with holographic charts, spinning 3D elements, and glowing data streams in a cyberpunk style. The generated images look like proper holographic UI shots with a lot of variety. I choose an image that has clear pie charts and UI elements and animate it with a prompt that adds movement to the UI and shifts the camera. The final video shows the camera moving correctly while the UI elements reconfigure and animate in real time. The data visuals change and respond as if the interface is alive, which looks very eye-catching. This time, the video matches what we wanted, and it feels like a real futuristic dashboard animation. Now we're going to try the hidden features using the built-in presets. I prompt a portrait image of an Indian girl between 25 and 30 years old wearing a tube top. After Grok generates the portrait, I open the video presets. As mentioned earlier, you have normal, fun, and spicy presets. These modes automatically create different styles of animation based on the image, so you do not have to type a custom prompt every time. I'm going to test the normal preset first. When you click normal, Grok starts generating an image to video where it adds natural expressions and subtle motion to the face. The normal preset output looks really good, so I download it. Then I test the fun preset, which creates more playful or exaggerated motion. The first fun output is not great, so I try again. The second fun result looks much better and is actually fun to watch. There is one more preset called spicy. If you're curious, you can try that mode yourself. I'm not going to include the spicy preset demo in this video. Grok does have some limitations on the free version. At some point, you might hit a usage limit and need to upgrade to access Super Grok for more videos and images. If you want to keep using the free tier, there is a little trick. You can go to a temporary email website, generate a new email address, and sign up again to continue using Grok as many times as you like. That is a secret tip for getting almost unlimited use without paying. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe. There will be more videos on how to create unlimited AI videos using different tools in upcoming uploads. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter for more real-time updates. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.